Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Wanrah ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka ni ka app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka Jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka Jingpuli, ka Jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli da ka education loan. Pila ro ban chukol hau number, kandai nyo saw Sanrinriew pranon, lani kandai Pranriew license, Anriway kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikin kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell su hila ban yo na barok kidukan uba poleng do ubalong menteri jangka sarkar jela ubadai ru unong aktien jangka sarkar haka arpunyau trik unai tung arhajar arpulai ula penramjur ya ka Jingthmu bala penmi daka legal right observation haka rensan social media kabala tip kum ka Twitter haka bala keno baka jinga kulmar baka jinga show ya dat ha Mahadev khola kabala ja haka arpu sautrik unai tung arhajar arpulai kadai ka jingdon kti jangka KSU baka kenhuan jangka balang Presbyterian haka jinga gram ikla pathai khubor uba pol ula ong baka ni ka Jingkynnoh amtang baka yalam bakala henry la tho da ka Jingthmu ban penbut nam sniu ya ka jella bat ban Wanrah ya ka Jingïapher niam bat ka Jingïapher Jaidbynriew namar ba kamdon ka jingshisha ru em ka bakum kata
nakaliang ke jonga bat kumjuk nakaliang jong ke sarkar ni penrem ya kani ke statement ke bami nakani ke kenhun LRO ke ba ke plau bakadai ke jing persang ban penki bat ban penki even bat kemar jimut ya bat ba bat kumjuk ban Wanrah ya ke image ke basniu nak ke bentar ke state ke jongi ti ngai i ba ki Jingkynnoh ki long ki ba klem nongrim ki ba msyongnia bat ki ba klem ke jingkit klik bat kini kedai ke jingpendan kam bakla ya ke media namba kini yo ban penki win bat pensyongshit ya ki ba ban ki bat ki jela persya ya Isengnyam bat ya Jaidbynriew trairi jong kini kari tak kejela gitu. Kumba pila i na media report ke police department kala tip ya kani ke wala long seized of the matter te ni community ba kin itnya watnya ban identify ini brigade mano. Well, I admit that the intensity and the scale of the violence could have been contained, and I believe the Home Police Department has already ordered a high-level probe into the matter, so a lot will be unearthed as the probe comes up with its final report. The group appears to be very irresponsible and probably with the intent of communalizing the entire issue and also with the intention of maligning the image of Meghalaya to people from outside the state.